Hey guys, what's up, what's up? Yes guys, there is an even easier way to make our jets fly stable despite having multiple mechanics. It's even easier and simpler than this first tutorial guys. And before I tell you how to do this, please don't forget to subscribe. So I figure out that you don't need all these blocks for these mechanics. You can actually place it anywhere on your jet or airplane. Look at my jet guys. Look how the jets are placed. For example, with this jet, I can place 2 hinge here, like this guys. Same with the first tutorial. But you can still place block before the hinge to make sure hinge is attached to the build properly. Then place block on the hinge. Then scale it 1 time like this. Then place jet turbine like this. Same on the other side of course. And here at the back, I'm going to place block at the middle of the jet. Scale both sides 1 time with scale 1. Place 2 hinge like this. Then place block again. Scale to the other hinge. Scale 1 time with scale 2. Then place jet turbine like this. So yes, the position of the jets are the same with the first tutorial. And yes, we need these 3 jet turbines. But it's up to you guys if you want to use red or the purple one. Then change jet force as default at red. But if needed guys, especially with a heavier plane or jet, adjust 1 more time. And this is the result guys. Very stable. Ups. That's not all guys, let's make it more flex-worthy. Let us improve this even more. Don't worry, this is very easy and very simple. And you know what easier guys? Subscribe guys! We can add more jet turbines guys, so I call these sets. First, let's move the mechanics away from the build. Make sure the area is clear. I use move 20 guys. Then we can clone this. I'll use move 20 again. So this is the second set. And guys, if you don't have enough jet turbines, don't worry. You can duplicate guys. So to do this, first connect the jet turbines like this with blocks. Then let's use this block. Place sit on it. Then save and reload. Sit on it. Place cake or glue like this. Then uncheck anchor. Go to the waterfalls. If here already, load the build then go back to the base. Then clone this seat with move 20. Then sit on it. Check anchor. Delete these blocks. Then save and reload. Guys, do it multiple times until you get multiple sets of jet because we need these sets for fast flight, slow flight, hover, landing, and if you want guys, VTOL! Yes, set for vertical takeoff and set for vertical landing. So with this, we need at least 6 sets guys, but me, I actually make it 10 guys, yeah, 10 sets! So why is that? So this set, it is for the fast flight. Speed is the default 200 or 100 if using red jet turbine. And I have 4 sets for this guys for extra fuel. Then these 2 sets for slower flight guys, but they have different speeds. This one have the speed of 10 and the other have the speed of 25. Well, I have slower speed because it's easier to use some weapons with that speed, kinda like my technique in PvPs. And this set is for hover, with a speed of 5, the slowest one. Then this set for landing, set the speed to 25 or 50. Me, I prefer 50. Then rotate this pointing downwards. With rotate 15, rotate 1 time or 2 times. Then this for vertical takeoff. Set speed to 10 or 25. Then rotate the jet turbines pointing upwards. For vertical landing, same with the takeoff set but point the jet downwards. Then we're gonna bind these of course. If you are in mobile, bind each set with a switch guys. If you are in PC, bind each sets to the pilot's chair of course. It's up to you what controls you want, guys. And don't forget to change the jet force, okay? Then merge all the jets to the mechanics. Make them invisible first and turn off collision. Then bring the mechanics back to the build. Then save and reload. Guys, make sure these mechanics will not touch or affect other mechanics, okay? Alright, let's try this! Guys, I placed servos and wheels on this to show you this really worked! Alright, vertical takeoff! Yeah! Hover! Then the slow flight. Fast flight. Yeah! Then slow flight again because we gotta do vertical landing. Alright! Cool! And then let's go back to base, guys, because we're gonna do the realistic landing. Alright! Awesome, right? So there you go, guys. The easiest and simplest jet mechanics. I hope this helps you guys. By the way, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!